little artists! Are you ready to draw something sweet and refreshing today? We're going to draw a cute watermelon ice cream. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw an upside-down V shape. This will be the top of our watermelon ice cream. Next, close the V shape with a curved line at the bottom. It looks like a sliced pizza, right? Wow! Now, draw another curved line inside the slice, following the same shape. This will give our watermelon slice some depth. Let's add some seeds. Draw small oval shapes scattered around the slice. Cool! To make our watermelon ice cream extra cute, let's give it some personality. Draw two big eyes. And a happy smiley mouth. Finally, draw a handle at the bottom. This will turn our watermelon slice into a delicious ice cream. Now, draw two cute heart shapes on top. Our drawing looks great.
Awesome!
Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork pop. Now it's time to bring our watermelon ice cream to life with some vibrant colors. Show your color pens. We're going to use some fun colors today. Let's start with red color for the watermelon flesh. Also, color the hearts with red color. Next, use green color for the inner rind of the watermelon. For the outer rind, use bottle green color.
Wow!
Color the handle with brown color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your watermelon ice cream looks so colorful and yummy. Keep practicing and making amazing art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.